across the vast grasslands of the world, bulls have lived alongside humans for thousands of years. Powerful, resilient, and deeply connected to agriculture, these animals have shaped farming societies across continents. But beyond their strength in the fields, bulls also provide something incredibly valuable: their hides. For centuries, bull hide has been transformed into strong leather used for clothing, tools, and protective equipment that can last for decades. Long before modern factories existed, ancient craftsmen discovered that animal hides could be preserved and converted into leather. Early tanning methods used natural oils, tree bark, and smoke to strengthen the material. Over generations, this knowledge evolved into a refined craft. Today, modern leather factories combine traditional techniques with advanced machines, controlled chemistry, and skilled workers to produce durable leather for global markets. Our journey begins outside a massive modern bull leather factory. Early in the morning, transport trucks arrive, carrying heavy bundles of salted bull hides. Immediately after processing, hides are preserved with salt to prevent decay during transport. Workers wearing protective clothing unload the bundles using forklifts and place them carefully in the receiving area, where the first stage of the industrial leather process begins. Inside the receiving department, trained inspectors carefully examine each hide. They check the thickness, size, and surface quality, while looking for natural marks, such as scars or insect damage. This inspection helps determine how each hide will be used. Smooth, high-quality hides are selected for premium leather jackets, while hides with imperfections may be used for belts, bags, or industrial products. After inspection, the hides move along conveyor systems toward the soaking department. Here, enormous stainless steel drums slowly rotate while filled with water. The salted hides are submerged for several hours. This process removes salt, dirt, and other impurities, while restoring moisture to the hide fibers. Gradually, the stiff material becomes softer and more flexible, preparing it for the next stage of treatment. Once soaking is complete, the hides move to the liming stage. Inside large rotating drums, workers add carefully measured alkaline chemicals. These solutions loosen the hair attached to the hide and break down unwanted proteins. Sensors and digital systems monitor the chemical balance and temperature to maintain precise conditions during this important preparation step. After liming, the hides pass through mechanical dehairing machines. These powerful machines gently scrape away the loosened hair without damaging the hide surface. The process reveals the thick collagen layer beneath, which gives leather its strength. Workers continuously monitor the machines to ensure the hides remain smooth and intact during processing. The next step is called fleshing. Specialized machines remove any remaining fat, tissue, and connective material from the underside of the hide. Rotating blades carefully clean the surface while maintaining a uniform thickness. Removing these materials is essential because leftover tissue can interfere with later chemical treatments used during tanning. After fleshing, the hides are washed again in large drums to remove remaining chemical residues. Clean water flows through the system while the hides slowly tumble inside the rotating drums. By the end of this stage, the hides are clean, flexible, and ready for the most important transformation in leather production: the tanning process. Tanning is the stage where raw hide becomes durable leather. Inside massive industrial drums, special tanning agents slowly penetrate deep into the hide fibers. Modern factories often use chromium-based tanning solutions because they create strong, flexible leather. Throughout the process, computer systems monitor temperature, pH levels, and chemical balance to ensure consistent results. During the tanning process, computer systems constantly monitor temperature, drum speed, and pH levels. Maintaining precise conditions ensures the chemicals penetrate evenly through every hide. Over several hours, the collagen fibers inside the skin stabilize, permanently transforming raw hide into leather that will not rot or decompose. After tanning is finished, the leather sheets are removed from the drums and passed through large hydraulic rollers. These machines squeeze out excess water while flattening the leather surface. This step improves the uniform thickness of the material and prepares it for further processing stages inside the factory. The next step is splitting. Large precision machines carefully divide the leather into layers. The top layer, known as full-grain leather, is the strongest and most valuable. It preserves the natural grain pattern of the hide and is commonly used for premium jackets and luxury leather goods. Lower layers, created during splitting, are still very useful. These layers may be processed into suede or used for lining materials. Modern factories aim to utilize nearly every part of the hide, reducing waste while maximizing production efficiency. After splitting, the leather enters the dyeing department. Inside large rotating drums, colored dyes are added to the leather. As the drums slowly turn, pigments penetrate deep into the fibers. This ensures the color remains strong and consistent, even after years of use. Technicians carefully monitor the dyeing process to maintain uniform color across every piece of leather. Popular colors include black, dark, brown, and tan, especially for leather jackets. However, factories can produce many custom shades depending on fashion trends and customer demand. Once dyeing is complete, the leather moves into controlled drying tunnels. Warm air circulates around the leather sheets to gradually remove moisture. The drying process must be carefully controlled because excessive heat could damage the fibers or cause the leather to shrink. After drying, the leather is polished using buffing machines. These machines gently sand the surface to remove minor imperfections. Buffing improves the smoothness of the leather and highlights the natural grain pattern that gives high-quality leather its unique appearance. Next comes the finishing stage. Technicians apply oils, waxes, and protective coatings to the leather surface. These treatments improve flexibility, durability, and resistance to moisture. Some leather may also receive embossed patterns using heated metal plates to create special textures. Once finishing is complete, the leather sheets undergo strict quality inspection. Workers carefully examine the color, thickness, softness, and surface texture. Only leather that meets the factory's quality standards moves forward to the cutting department. In the cutting department, digital templates guide precision cutting machines. These machines cut the leather into specific shapes required for jackets, including sleeves, back panels, collars, and pockets. Accurate cutting ensures minimal waste and perfect alignment during garment assembly. The cut leather pieces are then transported to the sewing department. Skilled workers use heavy-duty sewing machines designed specifically for thick leather materials. Piece by piece, the jacket components are stitched together to create the final garment. After sewing, metal zippers, buttons, and hardware are installed using specialized pressing machines. The jackets are carefully shaped and adjusted to ensure proper fit and structure. Each product slowly takes its final form as a premium leather jacket. Before packaging, every jacket undergoes a final quality inspection. Specialists check the stitching strength, leather texture, color consistency, and overall craftsmanship. Only jackets that pass all inspections are approved for sale. Finally, the finished jackets are carefully packed into protective covers and boxes. They are labeled and prepared for shipment to stores and fashion markets around the world. What began as raw bullhide has now become a high-quality leather product. From open grasslands, where bulls once roamed, to advanced industrial factories, the journey of bull leather is a remarkable transformation. Through science, engineering, and craftsmanship, natural material becomes durable, luxury, enjoyed by people across the globe.